Hello everyone, my name is Masgabu. Today I am going to show you how to join or add our Excel data to our shapefile or polygon data, information from our Excel to our shapefile which has no more information, okay, in easiest ways. If you like my video, please subscribe. Let me start it. First, let me start our quantum Qgis. In our quantum Qgis, this is my data, okay? This is my data, but it has no information, except one information, okay? Let me see it. Right click, open. It has only Warada name, this information, but it needs as a detailed information for this Warada. But I have from somewhere else, but not from this attribute table. How I can add my attribute table to this, or my data from Excel format to my attribute table? In order to do that, my Excel file is this. Okay, it has this information. I wanted to add all of this information to my data, okay, to my attribute table. So to do that, first I have to do this Excel file to other format. Okay, the Excel file we have to change it to other format. To do that, file, save as, save as. It's a place where I wanted to save it. Okay, here, for example, here I want to represent it, replace it. Okay, save. File format should be CSV or comma delimited. Okay, I have to change it to it. Then save. Yes, replace. Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Now it is changed to ASR format. Then, 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 what I have to do? I go to a layer, add, add, delimited text layer. Okay. Then browse from where I save it, my data. This is Warada, which I saved it to CSV format, then open. After this, stable is come. Then I have to change if it is on the other, if it is on the other format, I have to change what? To this format, CVS format. Okay? Then then no geometry. Okay? No geometry. Then after no other changes needed, then okay. Okay, very good. Now my Excel format is come here. Then open attribute table. Let me see. This information is come with my data. Okay, Warada, region, zone, and other. Then let I minimize it. Or now my attribute table is what? Warada. Open. It has only Warada name. Okay, no other information. Now what I have to do is what? First, before do that, I go to what? Processing. Okay, process tool, process toolbox. Here we have to write refactor. Okay, to search from data refactor. Then refactor table is come from here data. Double click. Then Warada. In Warada, we have to make the same both attribute table character or property. For example, my first data warada as what? It is property or it is type is what? String, okay? String. If it is on the, I want to merge by string format because warada's name, it should be in string format. If it is on the other, I have to change it to string. For example, if it is on the integer, we have to change it to what? String, okay? Then its length is 0. We have to change here. We have to change it to the same number, okay? What? 30, for example. 30. Then for them, I wanted to save it temporary for this time because I do more work later on. Run. Now, see it. Refactor. Then, in addition, I have to change my Warada properties the same with this table, okay? Or the Excel format table, okay? Then again, refactor. I have to change input to what? To Warada 1 because my shapefile is this, okay? Warada 1. Yes, see it. Warada, or it has only one attribute table. It should be the same with my Excel format. So it is string also. It is size 30. Now both of them are the same. Okay, very good. Then run. Good. Now this is original Warada. I don't need it for this time. This is Warada Excel format. Now I went to what? Merge this attribute table and this shapefile together, okay? This refactor, this refactor for this temporary time, it is no value, okay? It is value is only warada. After this, I went to join information from my Excel, okay? Good, good, good. Then right click on this shapefile because this shapefile is new shapefile. Right click on, then property, okay? Property. Good. Now join, join, add, join field, join field. I only have Warada, okay? No other information from my shapefile. Very good. My target is also shapefile. Warada, okay? No other additional information is needed. But if you need only some specified part, we can add the specified part only. But I went to all data from my Excel format to my shapefile. No, when I don't want to change or I don't want to select some parties. Okay, I wanted to use all of them. Okay, then apply. Okay, let me see now my table. Yes. Right click, open. Very good. Full information. Yes, full information is changed to my attribute table without any effort. Okay. Very good, very good, very good, very good work. Yes. Now it is temporary. I have to save it for later using. Okay. Right click, save as. Who? Where? Join the data. Yes. Join the data. Join data. From Excel. Well. I am happy with it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, very good. Right click, open. Yeah.